Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the FIFINE K688CT. It's a USB and XLR Dynamic Microphone priced around $80 and even comes with a boom arm included. In this video, I'll be unboxing, reviewing, and testing the mic to see if it's worth it. Starting off with the unboxing, there's the user manual, extra replacement rubber bands, a Type-C to C cable with a Type-A adapter, the mic itself with a grey flock pop filter attached, and the metal boom arm stand which is included with the clamp for your desk setup. Moving on to the design and build quality, the mic feels really solid as it's mostly metal, and it has this flock pop filter to dampen noise and plosives, a hexagon pattern mesh to dampen vibrations while protecting the mic core base inside, a tap to mute button on top, the XLR Type-C port and 3.5mm jack on the back with the input and output controls, and the whole mic is suspended in this quad-point shock mount to reduce vibrations and movements while recording. As for the setup, it's really simple. First, you'll need the clamp, and it just clamps onto the side of your desk and tightens with this screwing mechanism. Next, the metal arm can be unfolded and this long piece slots into the clamp. After that, the mic can be installed and it screws onto the boom arm with this 5/8 adapter that's bronze in color. With all of that done, you just have to connect the mic to your computer with the Type-C cable included to finish the setup. So with the USB cable connected, the mute button will light up green and it's ready for recording. For the controls, you can of course mute or unmute and adjust the volume for the mic and headphone monitoring on the back. On the topic of that, the 3.5mm jack allows for live monitoring and can power headphones with an impedance between 16 and 75 ohms. Besides that, it also has audio pass-through so you can get audio output from your computer straight through the mic. But do take note, this only works with the USB connection and not XLR, as everything will be controlled through the audio interface. Diving into the sound test, the mic has a cardioid polar pattern, which means it mainly picks up audio from the front and rejects background noise. Speaking directly into the mic 3 inches away, the plosives are quite obvious, but when angled at 45 degrees, it's much better and not picked up as much. This whole video has been recorded with the FIFINE K688CT, and I will say it sounds pretty good. While recording this script, I have some slight traffic noise outside, the aircon and fan running in the background, and honestly the background noise reduction is pretty good too. This is currently the XLR output from the mic and it sounds quite full and warm with decent clarity. Switching over to the USB output, you can hear that it sounds less clear and more muddy but still usable in my opinion. Overall, the XLR mode is definitely better, but the USB mode is easier to use, and both modes isolate background noise effectively. Anyway, here is a quick sound test comparing the modes and how it handles plosives and background noise. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Peter picked a pack of peppers before breakfast. Big puppies bark loudly while Peter picks popcorn. Okay, here are my pros and cons after testing and using the mic. For the pros, the build quality feels solid and the USB mode makes it very user friendly. If you're just starting out, it's simple to set up and you can start recording or streaming right away just with one cable. Plus the boom arm is already included so you don't have to purchase one separately. For the cons, there is no way to cable manage with the boom arm included, so it can look a little messy. And the controls are kinda hard to get to behind the mic, so if you want to change the settings, you always have to flip it over. Not only that, the USB output is slightly worse than XLR. So if you want better audio, you need experience with an audio interface or mixer to get the best results. But factoring in the price of around $80, it's a decent mic for content creation. So to sum up this video, if you're just starting in content creation or live streaming and you need a decent mic for a budget price, the FIFINE K688CT is a solid choice with its USB and XLR support and even comes with a boom arm included. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to FIFINE for the microphone and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.